Everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this series of Laravel API, it is tutorial 10, and today we will discuss about API authentication with Laravel Sanctum. And first we check Laravel Sanctum is available or not. So for that we can check inside our composer.json file, and inside that you can see Laravel Sanctum is available. And you can also check via route list, PHP artisan route list, and at here you can see Sanctum CSRF cookie is available. So there is no requirement for install via composer directly. And if you watch my old videos, then I install API package in the first video, second video I think. And if you do not have this method and this route at here, and also not at here, then you must install via composer require Laravel Sanctum, and then PHP artisan vendor with this command publish Laravel Sanctum, and then PHP artisan migrate. So via these three commands you will get Sanctum in your project. Now suppose I have this API, and at here I am getting all students. API students, now all student is showing at here, but I do not want to see all student directly. I want authentication at here so that no one can access directly. So for that I have to add some middleware at here, and add here name of middleware. So at this is auth Sanctum. So it is simple. And now if I access, first I am commenting it, and now I am accessing it again, then it is giving route login is not defined. So means for get, okay, with get method login must be there, so that it will be name login. Okay, suppose I am accessing via under client all student. Now accessing, now removing this, now accessing, and now it is giving it is going to home page directly, because we do not use bearer token at here. So get bearer token first. Anyone can login, student must be login. So like at here I am passing email ID and password. I think something is missing. Oh, sorry, it is post method. and the same name as get method. For handle this, if anyone use sanctum directly, means access directly. Okay, now go to student login again. Now it is login successful and token is this. Now if I want to get all data, all student, and pass bearer token at here. Now you can get all data of student. So Laravel sanctum is very easy, and now I added in one place, middleware one place. If you want to add many many route with this middleware, then you can add via group. Like via this method, route group and middleware name, and it is auth sanctum, and at here pass pass route. Like I want index route at here. I want update route at here. So you can pass at here, and there is no requirement for add middleware. So via this method you can add on multiple API, and you can group multiple API. Now if I want to update student update, okay, and now it is giving error, route not defined, because handle that issue. Okay. Now go to again. The put method is not supported. Route API login supported method get head post. Put method is not supported for route API login method head post. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now it is code for update. Now checking for update. Now updating RAM, and there is no email ID for update. And we are also using auth at here. If we do not using auth, then it is giving 405, and if we are using auth, then it is working. So via this you can understand we can group multiple multiple route for auth sanctum or for any middleware. So now we already check installation for sanctum and enable middleware, protect route, and if you like this video then please support and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.